I was going to watch your boy Mike Lowy. So we're gonna go over today. We absolutely killed it today, bro. The watch list again, 3 for 3. I don't know who needs to hear it or who's missing it. But guys, this is the whole point of it, right? This is multiple days in a row. I think all of these hit the other day. Like I'd be going, I'd be going hat trick. I pretty much get a hat trick a day on my watch list, if not at least 2 out of 3. But literally, sometimes the other ones don't even reach the levels to play anyways. So check out the profits. We'll start with the profits chat. Shorty hit 3,000 in a week and a half, a week and 4 days, and that was her monthly goal was 3,000. It's only the 13th. She already hit that. We hit 100% plays twice today, so 2 chances to double what you invested. 100% plays, $800. Nvidia. Let's see, watch list again. Watch list, come on. Like people eating off the watch list who know how to use it, right? So by knowing how to use it is by watching these videos. So if you're here, congratulations. We're gonna go over today's trades. What we could have done better. There's definitely some things that I could have done better. So I said below 679, we had to 678. And if we continue under that, we get 676.80. All right. So, and I can go to 675. So that's what happened. Okay. So we got to market open. We were waiting for that break of the pre market lows. We got it. Right. As soon as this happened, see, I was so zoomed in. Right. So I actually took, we were in puts, right? We took puts from 679, 678, took profits, trimmed, and then added, right? This was a full re-add right here. But what had happened was is that we broke above this 680. So I did stop out right here and then immediately re-entered right here. So that's like, I mean, it was kind of hard to flip that because I said, oh, switch, I'm gonna get calls, and I was like, wait, hold on, like, okay, I'm back in puts. Like, it is kind of hard to call it out as I'm trading because I do execute first and then call it out. So like, then we're back in puts and took it just to this 676, right? Just took it here. So it could have definitely made more, but that's still a fire play. 679, six all the way down to 677, right? It did end up going to that 675, like I said, and then that's where we saw some consolidation before it broke lower all the way down to 670. And that was, I mean, if you hold that long, bro, you just being greedy. Like if you hold through all this, that's crazy. Like just you're only catching a small part. We don't need to catch the entire move. But on a bigger scale, right? I was zoomed in on the 2 minute, so that's probably why I sold. If I was on the 5 minute, I probably would have added actually, because this would have been entry, so I probably would have waited for it and then entered, right? So I mean, really, when I stopped out, I didn't lose. I mean, it was pretty much a break even. Um, and then yeah, so that was the bigger picture on the 5 minute was this bigger break and retest to go farther down to that 675, right? So sometimes when you're zoomed in, if you're a guy that likes to watch the 2 minute, this could look like a reversal for sure. And you could think to yourself like, wow, we just reclaimed pre-market lows. We potentially could go to pre-market highs, right? But 5 minute says otherwise. We just clearly broke PDL and London session and Asia session lows, came back for a retest. That is perfect. Use this as a stop loss. Straight to the downside. So still good execution. NVIDIA, I said below 189.5 to 187. So 189.5 to 187.8 was gorgeous. I think, yeah, people ate off of that too. So this was the same exact break and retest of the previous day low and rejection right there. So as soon as you got that rejection, that's a pretty strong counter close. You could just enter there or wait for the pullback, and then you would have your 189.5 entry that I gave you, right? And then you would have 195 as a stop loss, like 190.50. So that's a good risk to reward right there. And that ended up going straight to our 185.60 level. So that was a great trade as well. Um, Below, and also, so let's say the trade's going on and you guys are in the video, and let's say you're going 189.5, you get your entry and it goes to 187.8, and you see this happen, and you're like, all right, Mike, we just broke 187.8. Where are we going next? Ask in the stock chat. Just ask. Just say, hey, I'm in the video from the watch list. It's pushing down good. We just broke that key level of 187.8. What's the next level down? I would have told you 185.6. And then you would have hit 185.6. So perfect, right? Don't be scared to ask. That's what you guys got us for. And then Tesla, we got below 422 to 414. Man, I should have been so greedy with Tesla today, but I wasn't. I literally sold like right here. It was just like 422, 417, perfect. And then broke through, sold the runner. So I did actually re-enter. I re-entered a runner at 407.5 and actually took it to 396. And I sold at 396.73. So that was cool. I mean, at least I still caught. Let's see what so I missed. So I got that, sold the runner there, right? So that's not bad. I missed this and still caught that. That's crazy, right? Caught that, missed that, re-entered for that. Oh man, yeah, no, I did good. I'm happy with today's plays. There's nothing wrong with taking profits, like I say, guys. Also, you have to be careful at each level when we're super oversold like this. I mean, we had bullish divergence happening all day. So where to now? I don't know. So it's your boy Mike Lowry. Hope you learned something. Feel free to reach out. We only got a couple hundred people in the Discord, so it's nothing crazy yet. We're gonna answer questions. We love answering questions. We love people making money. I mean, that's the goal of what we're doing. It's not always gonna be free either. So just get in, take advantage, see if you like it. Use the free open door opportunity now while you got it. I mean, come on, door's wide open, and you're just choosing to walk by or peek in. Let's go. Just walk in.